Hi, I'm Carol Rivet and welcome to my video. I want to talk today some more about Onpassive and what Onpassive can mean to you. If you've struggled to make money online, if you've struggled to recruit, build a downline, whatever the case may be, Onpassive, through its disruptive artificial intelligence technology, will solve all those problems for you. Let me just briefly tell you what I was going through when I got into Onpassive a few months back. I've been in a business, and I've done, actually in January it'll be 3 years that I've been in this it's an MLM business. Done good, was every month making commissions, and I've been very blessed. I thank God for, what I've learned and what I've been able to do and to earn. I've been online marketing for over 15 years, so it has been a while. But while I've been growing this business, and let me just say, with any business, if you stop advertising, you stop earning. Your earnings go down. Okay? Now, on this online business that I've been growing and been working, and if you're familiar with any of my videos, my other previous videos will talk about that. I ran across one month. First, let me go back. My sponsor had been sending me information about Onpassive before, and because it was new, I didn't want anything to do with it. I said, no, I really don't want. Maybe after it launches, I'll take a look at it. I was very skeptical. I've been burned before. Through the years, I've done well. I've gotten into some that were good, and through the years, I lost lots of money in some things just because they just up and left and scammed. I've been there too. So I've said no. And so anyways, this was months, they had every so often, Darius and Dane, they would send me an email and say basically, we're in this, this is pretty incredible. This is our main business. Please take a look at this. And I pretty much just pushed it off and ignored it. Well, because I was very focused on my other business. It's a good solid company, been around for 20 years, and has been paying me monthly, still is. It's, good business. But I ran across a month. Actually, this happens more than not. And I preach this all the time, and I do it. You recruit, you advertise daily. If you stop advertising every day, if you stop being consistent, your downlines are going to fall apart. Okay? MLM, any kind of online business, anything where you need to recruit is hard to do. And it's hard to duplicate yourself. I'm able to recruit, but I had a hard time duplicating myself. Okay? 1 month, I thought I had done really, thought things were going really well. Commissions were doing really good. I had earned a bonus, and I was thinking, okay, this is really good. Well, that month, I had 30 to 40 people drop out of my downline. Okay? I had not done anything different. I was still sending the same recruiting resources that I've always sent, tried, be encouraging. It's no fault of their own. Okay? It's hard. This is hard. And I can't cram 15 to 20 years of marketing experience that I've learned into somebody that's just starting out. Okay? There's just no way to do that. Okay. Enter Onpassive. I was discouraged, of course, because I worked my butt off. If anybody knows me on Facebook, you see how much I post. You see what I do. You see how I advertise. And I even branched off into YouTube videos too, as you can see. And so I was discouraged because, like I said, 30 to 40 people dropped out of my downlines. And it does happen. Normally not to that extent, but it happened. And I was frustrated. I was discouraged. I was feeling like, what the heck do I have to do to get this to really grow and to really build? And not just for me, but for the people with me. You know, I couldn't duplicate myself, no matter how hard I tried. Okay, and as I've been saying before, I was making commissions, but it wasn't life-changing commissions. It was good. Don't get me wrong, some would have been really happy with what I've been making, but you know, we all want that life-changing income. Okay, so anyways, I'm passive. One day, Darius sent me another email. This time I was ready. That is one of the reasons when you're marketing, you need to be consistent. Because even if you've sent this person the same email over and over before, or a different email or whatever, you don't know how that person's going to respond. I was ready to listen. I opened up the email, listened to the video, and then I gave him a call. Okay? Now, how is Onpassive going to help you to grow your business so that you are duplicatable? Onpassive, it has a tool for every aspect of life. It will send targeted qualified traffic to your business. That is the main problem. There are quality companies and businesses out there, okay? But when you got to recruit, when you have to sell, and their products are not always that great, just because I said there are good, solid, quality businesses out there doesn't mean their products are quality or solid or state-of-the-art or proprietary. Onpassive is proprietary IT software never seen before, built from the ground up. So their products are better, their quality, there is nothing that can compare to Onpassive. Okay, now, Onpassive is going to grow your business for you. Now, I know you've heard before, once in a lifetime opportunity will change your life. You don't have to do anything. I know. You've heard it all before. I've heard it all before. Okay, that was one of the reasons why I kept skipping over it until I really looked at it and studied it. Okay, now there's going to be a link below here that gives my presentation link where you can really look at the program. And I suggest that you take a cup of coffee. There's like a webinar on there. There's other presentations on there, and really go through it, because I really don't want you to miss it. Onpassive, they have a tool for every aspect of life. It's the education sector it covers, business sector it covers, e-commerce, it covers the payroll industry, communication. It covers every social aspect of your life and every business aspect of your life. It has tools. Let me say it again. It has tools for every business aspect of your life online and every social aspect of your life online. It basically covers the whole internet. Onpassive does. And all these tools are proprietary IT software. They are cutting edge artificial intelligence. They are superior products. People, once Onpassive opens to the public, people are going to come in by the droves just to use the tools. That's it, just to use the tools. And they're going to pay monthly for these tools, and they're going to be all under one umbrella, the umbrella of Onpassive. So, and they're going to need to pay monthly for the tools, and that's where we're earning commissions. Now, some of the, and one of the things that Onpassive gives you, because it's automation, it frees up your time. Hallelujah, praise the Lord. I will say, it's a lot to market every day, every day, every day, constantly. But if you do, if you can do this and you can market and bring in just a couple people on your own to Onpassive, it speeds up the wealth building. Okay, this is like going to be a wealth portfolio for you. Onpassive will be your new wealth portfolio. You don't have to recruit. Let me say that again. You do not have to recruit to be successful with Onpassive. Okay, they will build your business for you. To become a founder, some of the reasons, that's the only way you can get into Onpassive right now is to become a founder. Because as I said before, it's not open to the public. Okay, some of the benefits to becoming a founder is you get access to the Gofounders website. You have teams built for you before it even launches. And you have early access to build your own team. Now, hang on, because I know you don't have to. You don't have to recruit if you don't want to. You get priority positioning because you come in to the income structure. You get yourself set at a spot in the income structure that is Onpassive. Once Onpassive launches, it's just going to be days before it becomes a unicorn. A unicorn is a company that is worth over $1 billion. I seriously believe it's only going to be a matter of days once Onpassive launches to the public, to millions. We have a 4.5 billion with a B, target audience. It's the whole internet. Okay, so Onpassive, those are the benefits. You're also in beta testing. You get to brainstorm. You get to give feedback. And also, when you're a founder, Onpassive is going to advertise. If you get in before soft launch starts, okay, there's 2 spots to this. Soft launch, all I'm going to say with that is we had a private founder meeting last night. Soft launch is going to be happening soon. Okay. Once soft launch begins, you can still become a founder, and the price will be $149 for you to get in. That is a bargain. If that's what you end up paying, that is still a bargain for getting in. And let me tell you why. It's because we found out that once it goes open and live to the public, where everybody comes in, and when it comes live to the public is when you get to use the tools, when you get to see the tools. Okay? Founders will not be accepted for the next 3 years. So, I mean, if you come in right now, possibly depending when you're watching this video, it'll be $97 for one-time cost to become a founder, and you get all those benefits. Okay? Onpassive for all founders, if you get in before the soft launch starts, Onpassive is advertising all the founders' links and sending the new founders in during the soft launch below existing founders. Okay? Once we go live to the public, which is going to be sometime in 2020, they are opening and going live. When that happens, then the Onpassive will advertise every founder's link and send all new customers that come in that are using all of these incredible tools below all existing founders. The founder position will not be open for the following 3 years. It will not be open for $97, $150, for $900, or $10,000. You will not be able to become a founder for the following 3 years. Okay? So Onpassive is advertising. Once we open to the public, they're going to advertise all founders' links for a full year. And all those customers are going to be put below us founders, okay? Onpassive is a self-funding solution. You pay once to become a founder. When it opens live to the public, you're going to pay one more time, and then that's it. It's self-funding. It's going to force you to be successful. Onpassive will be your own wealth portfolio. We'll build any business for you. You control your money. Onpassive has every tool you will need to succeed online. It is never seen. The tools are never seen. They are proprietary technology. It is 100% hands-free, 100% automation. Okay, so click the link below and take a look at the presentation. And thank you.